Hello everyone. This is a tutorial based video on how to register the open online course on educator empowerment through greening the curriculum, which is developed under the UNESCO Open Education for a Better World OE4 BW online mentoring program. First of all, you should download Canvas app from your mobile or laptop. In mobile, go to Play Store and search Canvas app. After searching this app, Canvas student will show. So download it. After downloading, install the app. After installation, the first page will open with this message, Find My School. Type the answer, that is canvas.instructure.com/courses slash 8710952 and click next. Next page will open and you have to create your account by clicking click here, it's free. Next page will open and you have to click that I am a student. After clicking, next page will open and you have to fill all the details as shown in the image. Write the course code, that is NNGTM7. Create the username and password and click on Start Learning. You have now joined the course. Click on course link and home page will open. After clicking on home page, you can see about course modules, dates and YouTube link also. You can share with your friends. So, see you on 15 June for an amazing learning.